Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I am so happy, super happy. Oh, hey, because men don't match for Finland. A lot of people were saying that if una near Finland, they go give una mass arrest. Biafran people, they not give up. They said this is the right time for them to stand by the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. As I am talking to you, men don't match for Finland. I don't really want to talk too much. There is every reason why you need to subscribe, because it is going to be back to back from on the 29th to 3rd of December. Progress the analyst will be here to give it to you back to back. So here we give it to you, nothing but the truth. As they come now, so we they bring them. We know they add and we know they lie. So there is reason you need to subscribe. So now let me carry you along to the Finland journey. Back and forth, you go get the information and drop your opinion in the comment section, because I will be in the comment section with you to get all your opinion. Thank you, and I'll be right back.
So we have arrived with the honorable woman of God, Pastor Rose Allen, and here we are in Helsinki. We have a very smooth flight, and then we are now going to relax for the long journey of flight of 4 hours, and then tomorrow will be the start of the day event for the restoration of the Independence Day of Biafra. So we are with the woman of God, Pastor Rose Allen.
I want to tell the Biafrans that O mereme ihe neme owihe mo onye na churaja woke mo ihe neme owihe mo onye na churaja woke mo owoke mo onye na churaja woke mo. Biafra, this is the second time again that I'm coming to Helsinki.
Exactly.
We, the German, all the brigade, all the German Biafran.
All the way from Frankfurt.
Let me tell you one thing you don't know. God of Biafra, the Chuko Kikabiama, has assigned that this day will be free from the Janja will.
Exactly.
Will be free from the Britain.
Exactly.
We'll be free from the evil marriage they gave to us, that we said no.
Yes.
Look at Helsinki. Look at them. They knows what it means to be a freedom. Let me tell you where those videos will go. I want to tell you, you can't touch that man that Chuko Kikabiama has protected, which is our Prime Minister. His Excellency Obatobia. Finisher.
Yes.
He is a finisher. So let me tell you, because he got that transformer. We have come to finish everything that our ancestors they took from us.
Exactly.
Mazojuku went to his side and come back. He couldn't make it. If you understand, and all the rest, Mazin Nambekalu is in DSS dungeon waiting for us. Now you took Mazi Simon, but he is not yours. He's out. You can see what he did today in Twitter. Let me tell you, Mazi Nambekalu say Mwomo Adaputara Biafra Bia, and you can see what COS Odogunwani name.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I will thunder na wakachu na I stand as a Biafra rep, as German rep, to tell you that all my comrades all over the world, come up is reality. History is going to make by us, you. Let me tell you that nothing, we are like a yam anywhere you cut us will grow.
Yeah.
You don't think that, you see, you hold Ojukwu, he left. You hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, nothing. You hold Samuel Ekpa, nothing. You can't hold everybody because Biafra has come to stay. We want to merge with other countries.
Yes.
Gabon has gotten their right. South Africa have their own freedom. Why wouldn't be Biafra? Then, this time around, I want to tell you that ihe anyị na-eme ọrịa oke mmụọ
onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ ihe anyị na-eme ọrịa oke mmụọ onye anyị na-achụ oke mmụọ onye anyị na-eme ọrịa oke mmụọ onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ.
This is Helsinki.
So,
Duty free for you to see that we are in Helsinki.
Yes.
And we are not going back.
Yes.
And this is our people
Yes.
that will pilot us.
Yes.
And now they are going home.
Yes.
And we want to tell the world, this is the Helsinki.
Yeah.
That's why Mazba is fighting for us to make sure that he got us the freedom. Look at
Here
how
we are. Biafra, freedom or nothing.
It's gone.
You have heard it from the woman of God. We are here to make sure that we declare the independent state of Biafra after the referendum, which will be on the 28th. And then on the 2nd is the redeclaration of independent state of Biafra. And there's no going back to that. Whatever the zoo people are doing, they have entered one chance.
Yes.
What we want this time is now or never.
Yes.
Yeah. So there's no
already it's been
question.
signed in the heaven.
Yes.
That na Helsinki where we get our referendum. And na Helsinki is where we are going to emerge. As I'm coming now, my identity is fully Biafra. And you don't need to miss it.
Biafra or nothing.
You can get your ticket
Here
and
we
come
are.
over.
Here we
there
are.
is not.
Helsinki.
You can get your ticket.
Helsinki,
we
here
love
we are.
you, our Prime Minister. Mazi Simon Ekpa. Once again, I want to say thank you for all the good work, for not giving up for us.
Yes.
All the stress, all the betrayal, all the suffering, all the cry. Now, history, you have made history for Biafra. The world are talking about you. The world cannot sleep without you. The whole world, you told them that you are giving them 2 weeks for them to talk about you. Today, sir, they are talking about you. They don't sleep. But I want to tell you that you are the best thing that ever happened for Biafra.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And
Thank
continue remembrance. Bye-bye.
So, Biafra, here we come.
Tell them something.
Okay, yes. Helsinki, we're here. And we just landed. Dogwenu is here.
Yeah, man.
And Vicky is here too. We
Vicon.
have come to declare freedom of Biafra. It is
Live.
a must. Sacrosanct.
Live. Elare. Edo. Oh, hill.
Biafra.
We move.
Biafra.
Yeah, man.
Hi, dear friends. This is your only Anwa Omoada. We just landed in Lati. Please be resolute. Let nothing shake you. Be strong. Be strong. Our PM is there. He is hale and hearty. And we are going to visit him tomorrow. We move.
Yes, we move. Yes, sir. Biafra is here.
Biafra is here.
Sacrosanct.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Honorable. See you tomorrow. And I'm going to take a video. Bye. Thank you, bye. Okay. Hey. What's going on?
28th of November 2024. I am on board Finnish airline, flying down to Helsinki, and final destination is Lighty. What's it about? What am I going to do in Lighty? This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. Hope you can read it. Biafra Republic. That's what is making the whole world jump up and down. They are all jumping up and down because of this. Because of this. Everybody in the zoo has been dropping up and down because of this. The Biafra all over the world, different continents, everywhere are converging in Lighty for the convention, which starts on the 29th of November to the 3rd of December 2024. And what are we going to do there? On the 2nd of December, when all the votes have been counted and collated, a mandate will be given to our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, who is currently answering some questions with the Finnish authority. When that vote is counted, he will then declare the restoration of the independent states of Biafra. And what does that mean? It gives him the legal right to go ahead. Biafrans have given him the right. Go ahead and get us Biafra. And that is what it means. In a short form, that is what it's all about. That is what you are seeing, everybody jumping up and down. This is it. It is Biafra or Biafra.
Ọ̀pọ̀ àyìn ọgbọ́ ọ̀fọ́mà. Ọ̀pọ̀ àyìn ọgbọ́ ọha. Àyìn ìcha. Àwí inú bí dẹ̀mọ́ fún àyìn wọn.
What you don't know.
Bigger than you know.
Yes, on our way to Finland to finish exactly what we have started. DOS, we don't start and deliver our things on the way. We start and finish it on our way to Finland. Yes, lovely Biafrans, on our way to Finland. Eh? To finish the journey which we started. Eh? And the PM will be with us. This is Adazion, number one. Number one Adazion. Eh? Yes, lovely Biafrans, this is it. Eh? You can also see the view. Have the view. Yes. This is a joint flight from Paris to Helsinki. Eh? Joint flight. We move. There one.
Boy, so you just imagine welcome to Finland. People are creeping in and out to get the convention. Oh, the army. The crowd is something else. You cannot stop us. Nigerian government cannot stop us. This is Finland airport. This is Finland airport.
Problem. How do you now think that arresting Samuel Ekpa will solve the problem? In fact, Samuel Ekpa become worse than the Kanu. Instead of government to think about how it will bring these guys on the table and discuss the lasting solution, which is how would the Igbos feel at home in Nigeria? Or let them go on their own. You don't want to do that.
Update. Who said that Biafrans are not coming to Finland? Who said that Biafrans are not coming to... Look at it. That place is filled up. It's filled up. Odogu.
Mazukoma from Atlanta.
Mazukoma. Okay.
Mazuchenna
from Atlanta. You see, who said that people are not coming to Finland? Look at it. Everywhere is filled up. More than 2 hotels is filled up. Thank you.
See, let me tell you, if you have not been sharing our video before, today is an opportunity for you to share our videos. Keep this video move viral. Let everybody know what is happening in Finland. Let everybody know that men don't match for Finland. Who said people not go Finland? Make you watch this video clearly. Make you know say all these people, they're not get joy at all. They are everly ready for everything readyable. They are there to defend the defendable, and they are there to stand by Simon Ekpa. You can see the harmony and you can see the environment. As I talk to you, the environment don't charge. Hey, the environment don't charge. Oh, we go to get the result one after the other. Una they see everything. People go see the comment section. They tell me say progress the analyst. Hey, this one an old video. This one look like old video for your eyes. It look like old videos for your eyes. This is happening right and direct on the 28th of November 2024. Now today, now be the Ororo. This is convention that is about to take place 29th of November 2024. But as at 28th of November, men don't match for Finland. We did a follow up the update. No leave, no transfer. Progress the analyst is here to give it to you back to back. Thank you. And stay tuned for all the latest updates.